Hello everyone, I'd like to share another journal. This one is called a Foxglove. I used a book cover and I chose to keep the spine, which is only 3/4 of an inch, and that's why it's gapping a little bit. But again, a lot of the items can be removed to get rid of that gap, which I don't mind really. And it measures 5 3/4 inches wide by 7 3/4 inches high. There's 2 hand-stitched signatures for a total of 96 pages. The digitals, I have Artymaze's Foxglove Bliss Journal Kit. From Ilopa, I have some garden ephemera, garden pattern drawings. From Love Junk Journals, I have floral journal cards and random numbers. And from TaylorMade Journals, I'm in the garden clip art. And with this one, I left all the strings, which I don't usually do, but kind of like the look on this one. So the inside cover, there's a corner tuck with some tags this journal belongs to. Beautiful, it's a beautiful journal kit. I love Foxglove. And again, lots of room for journaling. A corner tuck with a tag that that comes with the kit. This is from Ilopa. It's one of those garden pattern drawings, which I just love the look of those. Here's a, if I can get it. Here's an envelope, a jeweler's envelope. I did some little bit of ruffle here on the edge. Some fussy cutting, some collage. A variety of note paper, some coffee stained paper. Here are some tickets that go with the collection. Here's a glassine bag from my Etsy shop. I put some trim. This is from Love Junk Journals, random numbers. Inside here, I have a large journaling card. I also left the back of the bag open for another large size journaling card. Journaling cards are all printed on cardstock. Here is one of those I'm in the garden clip art by TaylorMade Journals. The middle of the signature, a little bit of collage. It's a variety of a tag that I made with some cut off. Here's just a little note card. And these are from, I don't remember where these cards are from. I love the look of them. Here's another one of those pattern drawings. Another clip art. Here is a folder that I made, and what I have here is there's fussy cutting of that butterfly to put elsewhere in the journal, and this one is fussy cutting of this butterfly here. I sewed it down the middle here on this little card. There you go. And here I included a picture. I don't have time. Oh, it's a glassine envelope. And I did some fussy cutting of some of those bees. Oops. There's fussy cutting of those bees. And the picture of a bee butt, which I just love. A corner tuck with some fussy cutting, some collage, there's a postcard and tag. Again, another corner tuck with some tags. there's a lot of elements. That's why it makes it thick or fluffy. Here's a file folder, and inside here is that Tim Holtz slot die with a collection of different tickets. Here is a glassine pocket, and inside here is a rice paper envelope with some dried flowers, and inside is the writing paper. Just, not sure if it's folded yet. Is the note paper that goes with this envelope. Edith Holden page with the foxglove. The middle of the signature, again, some collage, some tags, another of those garden pattern drawings. And there's a postcard, German card, clip art, some tickets, I love the colors. This envelope goes with the collection, and inside there's a little note card, a corner pocket with a tag, and again a garden pattern drawing by Ilopa. And the back cover, I have a side pocket, there's side pocket with a journaling card of a foxglove, some extra journaling paper, and extra journaling cards from the cut-offs. And here's the back of the journal. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.